Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today we're doing a nice folky tune. We're playing Scarborough Fair on a C harmonica. Don't go anywhere. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please click like, share with your friends and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. So this tune is a beautiful old English ballad, and it's actually in Dorian mode, which means we're using the same notes as the C major scale, but it kind of has a more minor feel to it. It feels more like D minor. We don't need to do anything complicated regarding that, so don't be scared by those terms. We're just going to play the notes, and they're all there on your C harmonica, so just grab your C harmonica and we'll go through the tab which you see on the screen. There's 4 lines to get through, a couple of little variations we're going to talk about when we reach them, but the first line goes something like this. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Okay, now there's a note in brackets which we're going to talk about. It's basically just optional. I didn't play it just then, I played the bare bones of the line. So without that optional note, we've got 4 draw twice, 6 draw twice, and then 5 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw. Now the optional note would just mean you followed the exact syllables, if you like, of the words to the song. So going, if you don't play an extra 6 draw, you're just playing one note, a 6 draw for that going. But if you want to play that as 2, can you hear the difference? Going, instead of where it's just, are you going? I think really the melody in its broader form doesn't need that note, but if you want to put that in, you can. So that's our first line. Da 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 da. Okay, and then we've got parsley, sage, rosemary and thyme. We're going a little bit further up the harmonica onto holes 6, 7 and 8. So we've got 6 draw, 7 blow, 8 draw, and then 7 blow, 6 draw, 7 draw, 6 blow, 6 draw. Now if you're a beginner and this is one of the first tunes you've tried, you might find those higher notes don't want to play. I've got a lesson on YouTube on the high notes on my harmonica aren't playing. So if you search that out on my channel or ask me in the description, I could send you a link. If you're finding your 7 and 8 are struggling, it's probably not the harmonica, it's probably your technique, because the amount of times I get asked. So yeah, if you're finding on this line, just try and relax as much as you can, but also check out my lesson on when your high notes aren't working. But I'll just play that again. The other good thing, if you're a beginner, by the way, about this tune is it still works really slow. It's a ballad. It's not supposed to be played really, really fast, and it's actually a really, really nice tune to play slow, so you can play it nice and mellow. Let's have a go at playing those first 2 lines. Okay, really, really nice. And now we're going even further up, or at least we're kind of starting further up with 3 8 draws for the next line. Remember me to one who lives there. And it goes something like this. And again, we've got an optional note at the end of that line, but we'll talk about that when we get there. So we've got 3 8 draws, and then a 7 blow, 6 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow. I really like this tune. I think it's such a beautiful song. I hope you're enjoying it. We can put an extra note of 4 blow on the end. There is actually kind of extending there to be 2 syllables. A lot of people sing it like that. You don't have to, you can hold that 5 blow, and I think again, probably going back, although with these folk melodies there's so many variations, someone will probably tell me I'm wrong, but I think the traditional melody, I don't think the 4 blow is necessarily there, that note. So, right or wrong, I don't know, put it in if you'd like. But that's our third line, remember me to one who lives there, and then our final line, she once was a true love of mine. So we've got 4 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow, 5 draw, 5 blow, and then 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw. Let me play that slow again. Okay, and that's our final line. Let's have a little go at playing it together. We'll start from the top. Okay, I think I might have a little bit too long before that last time, I'm not sure. If you do want to play it along with a backing track to work on your timing, there are loads of backing tracks on YouTube, but look for one that's in the key of D, D Dorian, although it's going to be in Dorian, whatever, but you'll find it in different keys. If you find one that says D minor, that's probably fine as well. It's probably people just calling it a minor key rather than calling it Dorian, which technically it is. I think the one I used at the start of the lesson was a kind of piano recital one that I just found on YouTube, so do look out for it. But you can just practice it kind of freestyle without a backing track as well, and as I say, it works really nice as a slow song as well. That's it from me today. Before you go, click like, share this with your friends, and also subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. I take requests, so you can put your comments beneath the videos. You can also email me, contact@LearnTheHarmonica.com, and find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Do join our communities on those social media sites as well to talk more harmonica stuff. I'll be back very soon with a new lesson. Until then, enjoy your practice, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.